In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel style titles using Filmora. First step is to open Filmora and then click on Titles. In the sidebar, click on Titles. Then scroll down and click on Opener. Here you will find many title effects. I found multiple Marvel-inspired title style. You can drag and drop it to the timeline. You can edit this title according to your liking. I will edit this one and change the title to Thor Ragnarok style. Once you are done with all these changes, you can click on Export to export the video. Thank you so much for watching. Click on the subscribe button for videos like this, and I will catch you guys in the next one.